Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you this month's Lollipopboxclub kit. This is called Stories, Not Stuff, and it has autumn vibes, autumn theme, I would say. So I'm gonna put this as ad gifted because, as you know, I'm one of the creative team member for Lollipopboxclub. So I'm here to show you what's inside, which is great. So, as you know, they always come with a nice zine. Let's see what's in this month's zine because I'm always excited to know. Right, there's a fun watercolor online class at the Lollipopboxclub Patreon site. We have journal prompts. There's some journal idea, sketch idea, and a autumn recipe. Sorry, I had to think there. It's called apple fritter loaf, so I'm gonna have to try that. Oh, I love these. Oh, it's beautiful. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna probably cut this apart again. Card from Lisa. Oh, love it. Okay. Oh, I love the colors. Love it. I'm not an orange fan, but this is quite nice. Friends make the world beautiful. Yes, indeed. Oh, I love this postcard. Love it. You get, this is the surprise kit, I believe. Not surprise kit. Oh god, treat bag. What am I on about? Goodness me, apologize guys. I'm not in a very good health this week. So, right, let's see. Oh, I love this cut apart card. Right, let me just, before I get into a pickle. I love this bag. So in this treat bag, you get a few stickers. Oh, I love that, fruit stickers. 2 journal cards. That is cute, and an ampersand. I love it. And little tags. Love it. And then you get an empty journal again. So as you see, there is a journal idea here that you can turn your journal into a gratitude journal. Always have like a story to be thankful for. That's lovely. Some tab stickers. That's great. That's lovely. And you have this cute envelope with a little tag in it. I love this lace. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. And you get a pom-pom trim. I love it. Do you know what? I really liking the orange theme. I don't know why. Oh, this is a cute paper clip. Oh, that's so cute. It's got a little star in it. Oh, let's do that. Oh, maybe that way. That's it. That's cute. Then you get a little baggie with colorful tags. Oh, nice. Oh, this baggie is cute. And then you get a, I think this is the die cuts. Ooh, folding blue. Oh, it's like a little pocket, camera pocket. Oh, I love it. What is this? Oh, I have to pull it. So you can put some like little nice words there, or little photographs you can pull out. Oh, that's cute. Little ticket postcard of some sort. Ticket. Oh, that's cute. Those are not lovely. And then you get a sheet of sticker. This is from Mrs. Primrose, designed exclusively for Lollipopboxclub, and I love the color scheme. I don't know, it just goes, the teal just goes well with the orange. It's cute, it's really lovely. And last but not least is the papers for this month. So excited to see this. Oh wow, love it. Oh, that is cute, lovely. This is gorgeous. Love the little frames or labels. Oh, I love these. So that's the September Lollipopboxclub kit. Let's see what we can create with them. I'll see you in a moment. Right, as I was scrolling to my phone, in my phone, the photographs section, I come across a photograph that I probably have screenshotted from ages ago. I think about a couple of years ago, about autumn lessons, and I think it was like a good self-reminder that correlates with autumn, if that makes sense. So I wanted to do a little project to put in my journal using my Lollipopboxclub kit, because obviously it's autumn means themed. Now I don't have a protractor. You know that you make your circles easily, and I used a soup bowl. So improvised, and then measured the diameter of, is that the diameter? The diameter of the circle, and then divided by 2, so I know where the center is. And I've poked a hole using this pin kind of thing, just roughly, so I know where the hole is. And then I've taken one of the Lollipopboxclub paper, because what I wanted to happen is that, let me just show you, I'm going to use this split pin to put this together. So it has a little window. It sticks out because I wanted to be able to turn it. So that's how I would like to, how would I like it to look at. So the things I wanted to do would peek out in here. So I have to be mindful where I place the bits and bobs. So yeah, I think that's a good effort for not much tools apart from this pin, what you call this? Not a standy knife, but a cutting knife, craft knife even, a little pair of scissors, pencil and eraser. So that's how I'm gonna put this split pin loose, because what I want is that for this wheel to be able to turn. Right, I'm not gonna worry about the edges, because what I'll do is I'll probably decorate around this, if that makes sense. So I am now going to, so that's ready. So I'm gonna make some decorative pieces, because I don't think the things that are included in my Lollipop Box Club kit is enough. I just wanted to have a little bit of a backup. Right, I had to write the things that I had to write, because it's on my phone. Okay, so I'm gonna use the stickers and then write the things that I want to write. So I have, I'm gonna use this from the Spoonful of Sugar kit. Just needed that rain and umbrella. Thin this down, because what we don't want is for it to catch. my finished project page. I'm really pleased about this. I know I'm not regretting this, but no, we'll go with the flow. I love the fact that you've got this interactive thing that spins. Oh, what's that? Yeah, so it's a gentle reminder. So it's autumn lessons, and yeah, just like turn it and it reminds you of little things. And then at the bottom, because I've got a few more reminders or like autumn lessons, I've written them down in here. And this little pull out card that I made a pocket from this. This is from the zine, and at the back I kind of like wrote a letter to myself. So yeah, I might don't know, might just put a thing there. I'm not sure, like a saying. Here we go. I love it. Yeah, hope you like what I've shared, and I really like this interactive thing on my journal now. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, okay? Bye.